If you're a small account on Instagram right now and you're struggling to grow, or maybe you're a big account but you haven't gotten as many views as you used to get, it's probably because you're making content that's the wrong length, on the wrong topics, and you could be making one fatal mistake in your bio or in your description that's actually destroying the amount of views that you're getting. Or you might be doing the last thing I'm going to share with you in this video, because it's by far the most important thing that you need to do if you want to get more views and grow quicker on Instagram right now. In fact, this creator just implemented all the changes I'm going to be sharing with you and went from struggling to grow, not knowing what to post, not even knowing how long to make their videos, and boom, gained over 50,000 followers in just a 30-day period. And this creator did the same thing, except they gained over 100,000 followers. And all you have to do is make sure you're implementing the tips that I'm going to share with you in this video, but more importantly, not making the few fatal mistakes that I'll be sharing throughout the video. First and foremost, I need to make sure that you actually have your bio set up correctly, because if you don't have your bio set up correctly, you're going to be at a huge disadvantage. In fact, if you could be one of the people showing up for affiliate marketing, or showing up for marketing, or showing up for real estate in Florida, or showing up for crypto, or showing up for finance, or fashion, or model, or fitness, think about all the things you could show up for when somebody searches, then you're going to get more followers, more views to your profile every single day without you having to do anything, because people are searching for these things on Instagram. And all you have to do is make sure that you're showing up. And what you're going to do that is by improving your bio. But before I can share with you how to do that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go quicker on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I just created a free Instagram growth course. You can get it at the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best time to post right now and the best hashtags to use, because unfortunately, those two things have recently changed and I don't have time to cover them in this video. What are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Just go to the pinned comment below. So when it comes to your bio, what you need to make sure that you're doing is you need to make sure that first and foremost, you're getting rid of anything that's irrelevant. Anything that has nothing to do with the keywords that you were trying to rank for, I strongly suggest that you get rid of it, because it's just taking up space and it's ruining Instagram's ability to have you rank for those different search terms. Secondly, the first line on your bio is by far the most important, and you need to make sure that it says exactly what you do and includes certain keywords that your ideal audience is going to be searching for, so that you can rank for those things. And you need to make sure that you don't have links in your bio that Instagram doesn't want you linking out to. There are several different things that they don't want you linking out to, and you need to make sure that you're not linking out to them, because that could actually be destroying the amount of views that you get. And I bet once you get rid of that link in your bio, guess what ends up happening? You are going to start to get more reach on your videos, and you're going to start to get more followers. The other thing that you might be doing wrong is you might be linking out to something that is prohibited by Instagram, or even worse, you have a keyword in your bio that's also prohibited by Instagram, and boom, it's destroying your views. But if it's not that, then it might be that you're actually using the wrong description. There are three things you need to make sure you're not doing in your description. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you're not using hashtags anywhere in your description except for at the end of your description. Secondly, I wouldn't put any links in your description. And third, do not make the mistake of having your description be one huge giant block of text. Instead, you should have emojis throughout it, keywords throughout it. The first sentence is by far the most important, and I strongly suggest having it look really clean and having a lot of good spacing, because if you don't have those things, nobody's going to read your description, and it's not going to help you increase the watch time you're getting, and it's going to tank the amount of views that you're getting, which is happening if your description is too short or it's too clunky and nobody's able to read it. Now, you can have the perfect bio and the perfect description, but if the length of your content is off, well, it's going to destroy the amount of views that you're getting. So please make sure that you're sticking to shorter form content on Instagram. Ideally, videos that are 5 to 11 seconds long go viral the most on Instagram. Now, I know some of you out there are thinking to yourself, Rob, but I cannot make videos that are 5 to 11 seconds long. Well, there's two things that you should be doing in that case. First and foremost, if you only make long form content, you need to make sure that you're leveraging the green screen feature. You need to make sure you have a text hook on the screen, and you need to make sure that you have captions showing up throughout the video. The reason for this is it's going to engage people, and it's going to get them to continue to watch. On top of that, using the green screen feature is a huge key to Instagram of, hey, this video is going to be a little bit longer, so you need to show this content to people that have interacted with content that has a green screen on it before, because those are the people with the attention span to actually watch your content. And if you're not doing that, it's going to tank the amount of views that you're getting. In addition to that, when it comes to doing long form content or short form content, What I strongly recommend that you do is if you have had posts that have done above average, then you look into whether or not you could do it in a different length format. So if you have a short form post that did above average, try doing it long or try doing it a medium length. You can literally use the same hook and the same topic, create a new piece of content, and end up reaching a new audience. The reason for this is people that watch short form fitness content get shown short form fitness content. People that watch long form fitness content don't get shown short form fitness content. So you have to make long form fitness content in order to reach them. Now, before I can get to by far the biggest mistake that I see so many creators making right now, you need to make sure that you're taking advantage of Instagram's new For You page. If you don't know, Instagram now is a For You page. When you do a search for something on Instagram, what you're going to see is a bunch of different posts. You're going to see some carousels, you're going to see some photos, you're going to see some reels. Depending on which type of content that you're going to end up creating, what I recommend you do is click on one of those, make sure that the first 3 or 4 have over 10,000 likes. If they don't, it's probably a good sign that you shouldn't be going after that topic on Instagram, because if you do go after that topic, it's not going to be a large audience for it, and the result of that is going to be you not getting the views that you ultimately want. In addition to that, when you find videos on there that have over 10,000 likes, you need to make sure that you pay attention to the format, the length, the hook that they used, and I strongly suggest going to that creator's profile, dropping them a follow, and looking at their other content that's done well, so you can make it easier than ever before for Instagram to literally just show you what posts are trending within your niche. Now, by far the biggest mistake that all of you still watching this video right now are going to make is you are going to try to figure out all of this on your own. You're going to waste months of your life editing videos, trying to figure out what topics work, when I could simply look at your account, tell you exactly what you need to be doing differently. In fact, I want to do that, and I want to critique your content to guarantee that you get more followers on Instagram in the next 30 days, or you'll get your money back. If that sounds interesting, then I strongly suggest you keep watching this video, because I've got a special offer for you where I'll literally tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, critique your content, critique your analytics, give you more post ideas, and guarantee that you grow. If that sounds interesting, then please keep watching this video. The opportunity to grow on Instagram and this organic reach we're currently seeing are not going to last forever, and there are 2 things holding you back from seeing the growth like the creators that I share with you in this video. The first one is that you haven't implemented the tips that I just shared with you, and the second is that you haven't gotten into my Instagram mentorship program yet. That's literally going to guarantee that I help you get more followers on Instagram in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 25,000 followers, and nobody has ever gone through it and gained less than 1,000 followers if they implemented every piece of advice that I share with them. Now, since you're still watching this video, I'm going to assume you're probably above average, so the odds of you gaining over 25,000 followers are probably quite high. And if you want results like that, go to the link in the description below right now and sign up, because there are limited spots available. I'm going to be telling you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use. I'm going to send you new post ideas, and I'm going to critique your content to guarantee that you get more growth on Instagram in the next 30 days. It doesn't matter what your niche is or what your background is, this program is going to help you get followers more easily and quicker, so that you don't have to spend endless hours trying to figure out the things that I already know about exactly how to grow your account. In fact, I just helped this creator in the program, and they gained over 100,000 followers in just 30 days. I helped this creator, they gained over 150,000, and this creator over 200,000 followers. If you want results like that, and I want you to be my next success story, go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because every single day that you wait, it's only going to get harder to grow on Instagram. It is easier than ever to grow right now, but you need to take advantage of this opportunity. And what's better than an opportunity where you're literally going to grow on Instagram or get your money back, 0 questions asked? Again, there are limited spots, so go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. Otherwise, I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.